and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personalize your LucidView management portal account. All right, so go ahead and log into your LucidView management portal. Once logged in, you'll see that you'll need to scroll down to custom branding. Here you go. So in custom branding, you have two sides of personalizing your account. So the first side is to do the branding of your reports. So these are all the reports that you pull and need to send out to clients. And then the second part of this is the enforcer branding. So once you actually log into an individual enforcer, this is where all your branding will be showcased. So let's start with report branding. I'm going to click here on report branding. So in your report branding, you have your report cover color. So this will be the color used on the report's cover page and the heading bars of your managed enforcers. So pretty much basically something like this. And then you have your report cover text color. So this will be the color of the text used on the report's cover page and the headings of your managed enforcers. So it would be instead, this white color here in the cover. And then you have your footer bar color. So this will be the color of the footer bars in your reseller profile and of your managed enforcers. So if you look down here at the bottom, you'll see that this is the color. So to change these colors are relatively simple. You're just going to click on the section and you'll just scroll down to colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go dark blue. Once you've chosen a color, hit update. So you'll see a little pop-up that the background color has been successfully updated. Next, I'm going to do the report cover color text. So let me just go ahead. I'm going to do a lighter blue. Once I've chosen the color, again, I'm just going to hit update. So there you go. Text color has been successfully updated. And then the footer bar color, once again, I'm going to select it. Let's do a little bit of a pinky purple. There we go. And then I'm just going to hit update. So you'll see at the bottom, the color has changed. And of course, the footer color has been successfully updated. The next part of the report branding. So you'll have your image types. So you have an icon, a logo, and a report cover. These are all of the photos or images or icons or logos that's going to go on your report when you pull it. To get these, you're going to select icon, and then you're going to upload an image or choose the file. Once you've uploaded the file, you'll see that the name of your file for your icon will be there. And just be sure to click on upload. Perfect. So you'll see then once you've hit update that a new icon image was successfully uploaded. When it's been uploaded, it bumps you to the personalized branding of the enforcer side. So just go back to customize reports. Now we can do the second one. So now I'm going to upload a logo. I'll choose the file and then I'll hit upload. Now you'll see that a new logo image was successfully uploaded. So again, I'm just going to go back to customize reports. And now I'm going to choose a report cover, and a new cover image was successfully uploaded. Perfect. Let's just go back to make sure we didn't miss anything. Okay, so what we've gone over was our report cover colors, cover text, and the footer bar colors. And also, if you need some help with your image types and uploading your images, just take a note of the following over here. You can read through them. All right, now that we have successfully done the reporting branding, we are going to go ahead to our enforcer branding. Okay, so as you can see, all of our images that we selected in reporting branding also applies to the enforcer branding over here. We have our cover images, our icon images, our logo images. If you wish to host the portal under your own domain instead of portal.lucidview.net, then just follow these two steps over here and it will change the portal domain to your own domain. Over here, you'll see the rename enforcer. So We call it the LucidView Enforcer. If you wish to call it something else, remember that our product is completely back-end white labeled. So you can rename the enforcer to whatever you wish. And all the managed client profiles will then reference to this. And you may blank this field to revert to using the enforcer. So if you just wish to have it still be the enforcer, you keep the name. I'm going to enter a name and I'm going to update it just to show you. I'm going to call mine Dynamite and click update, and you'll see that the display name has been successfully updated. The preferred to reply address. So this is the reply to address for all mails for this account and all managed client profiles. You may blank this field to revert to using support@lucidview.net. Here we have the website redirect. So the website that will be redirected to. So when clicking on the logo or the reseller name in the left section of the navigation bar, this applies to this account and also all managed client profiles. So let me show you. What we're talking about is this up here. So if I were to go ahead and click on this, it's going to jump to our website, so lucidview.net. Be sure to always hit the update button to make sure that you're saving your changes. And if you have successfully saved it, you will always have this pop up. There you have it. I have made all of my changes. As you can see, I've just gone ahead and generated a category report just to show you that all of our changes made in the reporting branding does apply here. So we have our big blue box, we have our light blue font, we have our cover photo, and of course, our logos, our icons, and there you have it. If you have any more questions regarding personalizing your report, please feel free to check out our website. We have a knowledge base and an FAQ section, as well as a contact us form. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.